Okay, let's begin with quick DDL DML and TCL commands in Oracle SQL Plus. Here we have to enter a username, then we have to enter our password. Yes, we are logged in. Now let's start with the first command, which is creating a table. So we type create table, then we give table name. Let's say we give Sena as the table name. Then we open the bracket. Then we give the first column name. Let's say I give the first column name as school, and then I give the data type as varchar2. I set the limit to, let's say, 10. Then I give comma. Then let's say I give the phone number, and then I give the data type as number. I set the limit again to 10, comma. Then I give as the email, and I give as number. Again, I set the limit to 10. I close with a semicolon. Here my table is created. Now I have to, if I want to view the table, I'll just do this, DESC desk, and then the table name, which is Sena, and semicolon. This is my table, empty structure. Now I want to insert the values in it. So I put the insert command, insert into, and I have to give the table name. Then I have to give the keyword values. Then I have to open the bracket. Now, since it's verbal literal, it's string, so I have to give this, and then I have to type the school name. Let's say it's a DPS. Then I have close, then I have the comma. Now next is phone number, so I give 8989 something. And again, it's an email, so I have to give something like j@gmail.com. Then I close this, then I close the bracket. Okay, so last email we gave number. So what we have to do is we have to modify the columns. Since in email we give the data type as number, we need that as a verbal literal. So we'll give it as varchar2. So we'll give the command add. We'll give the alter command, alter table name, which is Sena. We give modify. We give column name as email, and we'll give the data type as varchar2, and we'll give, let's say, 15. So our table is altered. Now you can see, if we give again print the table, we can see the data type is changed to varchar2 and not the numbers. Now again, if we use, let's say we use this, yeah, so we have this, and we give this, one row is created, right? So if I want to display the data, now currently we displayed here the structure of the table, the columns and its data type. But what if now, after inserting the values, we need the values to be shown? Then we use select command, select asterisk from table name Sena, and we enter. Now we have the school, we have the phone number, and we have the email address, right? So these are the commands which we created a table, we gave the insert value, we did an alter command to change the data type of a column. Now let's say we want to drop the column email. So what we do is alter, we'll give the table name alter table. These are the keywords. Then we give the name of the table, which is Sena. Then we give modify, no, no, we give drop column, oh sorry, my bad, column, drop column. The column which we want to drop is the email, and asterisk. Oh, again, I did a mistake. My bad. Altered table, Sena, drop. We correct the COLU. Yes. What's spelling? Column, COLO, column, email, email. Table is altered. Now desk. Again, Sena. We have to display the table. See, now you can see here we had the column email, which is now dropped. So this is how you can drop a column. in any table. Now, let's say you want to, now we have two commands, which is truncate and drop. So the difference between truncate and drop is when you use drop command, the entire table along with its structure and its information, that's the records, like this table which has the columns and the data in it will be vanished. But if you use truncate command, this table structure will remain, the columns will remain, but the data inside it will be vanished. So that's the difference between drop and truncate. So let's see now if you use truncate table and then we use the table name. So now the table is truncated, and again, if you display the table, let's say, uh, if you display the table, we have the structure, and now if we try to see the values in it, which is select from Sena, see, no rows selected, which means the data which we had here is vanished here. And now again, if we use drop command, drop table, and we use Sena, what we see is the table has been dropped. And now if we try to display the table, which we did up here, where was it? Yeah, which we did up here, we had the structure, but now if you try to display even the structure, the object Sena does not exist because we have dropped the table. So that's the difference between truncate and drop.